Your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, temperatures generally about 27 to 30 right now. It's 27 Burlington, Logansport, and Winamac, 28 Lafayette, and 30 degrees at Crawfordsville. This is as cold as it will be all night long. Temperatures will be on the rise. Now, this is high-res radar, and I have filtered out all the virga or the snow that's evaporating before it hits the ground. You'll notice the leading edge is approaching Covington and Petersburg right now, and you go from no snow to pretty heavy snow quickly. So visibility will go from about 10 miles to about a quarter mile or half mile in about a 20-minute time period once this moves in. And so far, this is all snow on the leading edge, and it's not that far from Covington, just near the Perrysville area, and eventually it'll get towards the Lafayette area with time this evening, and then over the entire viewing area, certainly by midnight. So there's the big storm. They're winding up, and notice this is what we've got to get through this evening and tonight. Now, the back edge is approaching St. Louis. That's the good news. Now, this will come through tonight, and then right here in the middle of the system, see how there's a little dry air coming in? There's some drizzle and warmer air towards the center. So that's what will be in here tomorrow morning, and our temperatures will go up and conditions will start to improve around here after kind of nasty weather tonight. Starting out, I think, is all snow, changing to sleet slowly and eventually to freezing rain, and then it gets out of here, and we'll just have some areas of drizzle around tomorrow morning with temps above freezing, but a lot of wind as the snow and sleet's coming down. We may get some gusts overnight up to 38 miles an hour, so just kind of a nasty howling night, but certainly improving conditions tomorrow morning. This is key, the temperature trend, 29, 8, and 10, 30 at midnight, 31 at 2, but notice once we get past around 5 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, we go above 32. 6 a.m., 35 degrees, and we'll have some drizzle around. 36 at 8. We hit 38 at 10 and then fall tomorrow afternoon. There may be a couple of flurries with mostly cloudy skies. Notice 31 by 4. Gusty winds, though. Notice gusts up to 26 miles an hour at 8. Notice overnight we'll got some gusts in the mid-30s, perhaps as high as 38 miles an hour at times. There is 8 o'clock. There's the snow coming in. The pink is a bit of mix. This all moves northward. We're in the thick of it at 10. The pink, that's all mixed. That's 1 o'clock. And finally, there's the freezing line working northward. Just some patchy drizzle around tomorrow morning as most of the wintry precip pulls away. But we still may have a few little flurries that try to pivot in tomorrow afternoon as our temperature does start to fall a little bit. Totals, though, 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet with about 1/10 of an inch of glazed ice from this. So the nasty conditions, they'll certainly go downhill hill rapidly this evening, kind of bottom out tonight, and then certainly tomorrow morning begin to improve it. Be aware that once it starts snowing and sleeting this evening, it could come down pretty hard for a while. 38 tomorrow, 34 Saturday, and then after that, there's no wintry weather to speak of. 47 and rain Monday, perhaps a few flurries Monday night, Jeff and Gina, and back to 42 on Thursday. So going downhill this evening, but getting better tomorrow morning.
All right, boy, they got pounded today in Kansas City.
Oh, yeah, over a foot of snow, a lot of thunder snow reports. Yeah, really nasty.
Okay, Chad, thanks.
Chad, thank you. Just ahead, rumblings of a deep postseason run for the Indiana